Welcome, guys. We are here in the Mastering Pytorch 1.0 course, and here we are in the Deep Learning Frameworks in High Performance Computing Environment section. In this section, we will discuss the three parts. One is the Deep Learning Frameworks, and another is the swarm intelligence, and third one is the in-memory computing. So I would like to tell you about the deep learning frameworks. Basically, deep learning is a subfield of the machine learning concerned with the algorithms inspired by structure and function of the brain called the artificial neural networks. So further, I would like to know about, do you know about the deep learning? What is the deep learning and what is its usage? So here I would like to answer your second question, then you will be the understand easily that what is the deep learning. So basically, with the knowing the usage, uh, it has a lot of applications, or it has a lot of usage. Simply we can say it is used in email spamming detection, like in the Google email spam, and also Yahoo email spam, and other Outlook, Microsoft Hotmail, Outlook spam detection. So it is used in the spam detection. Also, with the help of deep learning, you can predict the stock exchange prices. Also, you can detect the specific images from the pictures. And also, if we see about the medical industry, then we can diagnose more accurately the multiple illnesses than the human beings like doctors as well. And if we see the advanced application of the deep learning, then the self-driving car is the one of the example of the deep learning implementations. So this is the usage of the deep learning. And if we discuss or talk about the core of the deep learning, then its core is the neural networks. So if in simple words, if we have the multiple data points or the different data points, like here in this diagram we have the blue and the red points, or the data points, we can say like that, and here the green and the red data points we are available over here. So the neural networks basically help us to segregate these data points and draw a line from here to there and segregate that where these points lies. This is the same way like that the human brain or the animal brains works, get the inputs or the signals from the multiple contacts and made the decision and create a single output like that way. So here is the just a line is not straight, and it is just only, you can say, like curved line. uh, it is generated as per the complexity of our algorithm. So here this line, which is basically showing the deep neural network, and as the formation of these data points, the complex, then forming this line or writing the algorithm to segregate them, that will be the difficult as per it is. So if we talk about the deep learning frameworks, then there are in market a lot of deep learning frameworks are available. A few of them are here like Pytorch, Cafe 2 is already available in market, TensorFlow, MaxNet, Cognitive Toolkit, Keras, Chainer, Deep Learning 4J, and many more deep learning frameworks are available into the market which you can use and utilize them as well. So uh, here we will not discuss all the deep learning frameworks, but our focus will be on the PyTorch. So what it is and how it will be the use. So let's see about the PyTorch. What is the PyTorch? Basically, it is Python-based scientific computing package or the library for Python targeted to the two sets of the audience. One is the like we have the NumPy into the Python we have already available. So a replacement for NumPy to use the power of GPUs, we can use the PyTorch, and also it is based on the some open source framework that is the Torch. So here a replacement for NumPy to use the power of GPUs and a deep learning research platform that provides the maximum flexibility and speed. So if we see here the code for this our PyTorch, then you can see like that the uh, mostly the tensors are similar to the NumPy's ND arrays, where the additional begins that tensors can also use to GPU to accelerate the computing here. So the code is very much simple. You can like that use the uh, from future to import the print function, and also here import the torch, and here is the uh, a construct as the 5 by 3 matrix that is uninitialized. So here the empty 5 3x and the print x, then you can see here the constructor basically randomly initialized a matrix. So this is basically a simple way to you can say like that the write the code into the PyTorch, and further we will see it as well, and in our next video we will try to understand the swarm intelligence, and in memory computing we just learn little bit about it, and further we will talk about it. So thank you guys. I'll be back with next lecture.